Hello everyone, we have given 2 plus 2 equal 8, 2 plus 4 equal 20, 5 plus 2 equal 29. So from this pattern, 9 plus 9 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. 2 plus 2 is 8. How? If we do the square of the digits, we get 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. Now check with the second case. 2 square plus 4 square. 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16 and 4 plus 16 is 20. Yes, it verifies. So 5 square plus 2 square is 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4 and 25 plus 4 is 29. Now 9 plus 9 is what? 18? No, we have to do the square first. 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. 81 plus 81 is 162. So what replaces the question mark? 162. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.